Welcome back guys. This is the Hello World program which we saw in the last video, and the output of this program is in this tab. Okay, now let me delete all these tabs and explain you how to write HTML code from scratch itself. Before getting directly into HTML coding, let me explain one basic thing, that is comments, which doesn't take part in coding and doesn't get executed. For this, use a less than symbol followed by an exclamatory mark with two hyphen symbol and close the comment section with two hyphen followed by one greater than symbol. That's it. And now let me comment out the first line of this section just by placing the cursor over it and using Ctrl plus backward slash as a shortcut key. Okay, now let's see how to start HTML code. The first line of every HTML code will start with this line. There is a less than symbol followed by an exclamatory mark with doc type and followed by HTML. This doc type refers to document type, and the HTML along with this represents as HTML5 code. And moreover, this doc type is not case sensitive. You can use it in either uppercase or in lowercase. Next, let's see how to start a tag and end a tag. This is so simple and it is so important, as the outcome of the line will be different based on the tags. The start tag will contain the tag name within the less than and greater than symbol, and your editor helps you in this place to create an end tag for you. Let me use that. Both the start tag and end tag will have the same tag name and symbol except the forward slash, as the tag is represented as an end tag by using a forward slash before the tag name. Let me comment this and move over to the next line. So the next line starts with the HTML tag, and the HTML code is written within this tag. This HTML tag acts as a container holding the HTML code. Here I have used comments for your understanding. And next, the HTML code contains two sections. One is head and the other one is body tag. Both the tags will get executed in the same area only, but the head tag is used to represent about the page and the body tag is used only to represent the contents in the page. As explained already, everything in HTML should be enclosed within tags. If you want the hello world in your output, you should enclose this within a tag. Here, let me use h1 tag. H1 tag is used to represent the heading. As of now, just remember this. Let me explain it in more detail after this. Now let me copy this and paste it in the body section and see how the output works. Done. Now let's see the output of our inbuilt preview. So here there is no difference between the head and the body. Now let me try the same in our external browser. So this is our external browser. Let me load it. And here you can see the head appears before the body. Make one thing clear from this. The head is used to describe the web page like title and heading, and the body is used to describe the content of the web page. Next, let's see what is this h1 and what are the other similar tags like this. Like h1, we have h2, h3 up to h6 tags. These tags are used to represent the headings. Before this, let me comment out the h1 tag in the head section and let me run the code. And here is the output. Here you can see the difference in font characteristics. Here h1 represents the most important heading, with h2, h3 as subheadings and h6 as the least important heading. Everything is okay about heading, right? Then how should we edit the paragraph in HTML? For that, use P, which represents paragraph. Here let me show you an example for the paragraph tag. Then now we are okay with some basic tags in HTML. Next, let's see some tags related to the arrangement and characteristics of the text. Here let me remove all the headings, and here in the paragraph tag let me add some more text by breaking it into two lines and save it. In the code we have written in two lines with some spaces, but everything were in a single line in the output. Then how can we break a single line into two lines? Just use the br tag and break the line. Now let me save this And here you can see the line gets break after paragraph where we have used the BR tag. Next, we have a tag which are horizontal row, which is used to have a horizontal line either between paragraphs or between lines. To change a line bold, use B tag, and for italics, use I tag. And here you can see the first line gets bold while the second line is in italics. Now, if you want to have the ND after the number 2 to be in superscript position, use SUP tag for ND alone. And if you want them in subscript position, use sub tag. While explaining about the head tag, I have forgotten to explain about the title tag, which is used within the head tag. So the text entered within this title tag will appear in our browser top or in our tab. Let me show how this works. Here in the tab you can see the title which we have entered in our code. So that's about the text tags which we use the most in HTML. Hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe to our channel, which motivates me to do more videos for you. Share your thoughts about the video in the comment section. Thank you for watching.